Does COVID-19 pandemic affects my homeowners insurance coverages? COVID-19 pandemic affecting all of us in our communities and as a country as a whole. Stay-at-home orders are in effect in most of the country, and all of us experiencing lifestyle changes in our daily lives. Recently, I've been asked many times, does COVID-19 affects my homeowners insurance coverages? Hello, my name is Nikolai Zubian. I am a licensed public adjuster, general contractor, and IRCRC certified water and fire master restorer. First, let's understand that homeowners insurance is a form of property insurance that covers losses and damages in a owner's house and assets in a home. The policy usually covers interior damage, exterior damage, loss or damage to the personal property, additional living expenses, and injury that arises while on a property. We know that coronavirus cannot cause property damage to your home or personal property, so coverages are not affected. But on the other hand, stay-at-home orders force many homeowners to work from home and kids not going to school. This situation could necessitate more liability coverage or home business endorsement for your insurance policy. Now, let's talk about your liability portion of homeowners insurance. Personal liability insurance is about financial protection for you and your family. The personal liability coverage within your homeowner's insurance policy provides coverages for bodily injury and property damage sustained by others for which you or covered residents of your household are legally responsible. Personal liability is very important for families with kids and dogs because it is homeowners' responsibility for any damage or injury caused by dependents or pets. As I have mentioned, pandemic forces many kids to stay home and potentially wandering around the neighborhood. It is critical to pay attention to attractive nuisances like a pool or a dog on your property in case of that bored and curious child gets into your property. I strongly recommend to all of my clients to carry at least 300,000 coverage for the personal liability. If you have a dog, check with your insurance company to make sure that the breed is covered under your homeowner's insurance. Not all the breeds are covered. California Department of Insurance have issued notice to all insurance companies to provide to all policyholders with 60-day grace period to pay insurance premium. The commissioner made requests to ensure that policies are not canceled for non-payment due to the COVID-19 health emergency. COVID-19 has affected insurance claims too, how it is processed and handled. I will have separate video to inform you what to expect in case of existing or new claims. In general, I strongly recommend to follow CDC recommendations for social distancing and personal protective measures because this challenge will take all of us and also each of our effort to overcome. Please stay safe and healthy.